Never teach old people Gen Z phrases because I may have just ruined an old man's life. I was at the dog park and this old man and I started talking and he was telling me about how he used to be a zookeeper before he retired. So he asked me if I wanted to see a picture of him with some animals. So I was like, yeah, of course. Then he showed me a picture of him with the gorillas from the zoo. But for some reason, the gorilla was like really curvy. So when I saw the picture, the first thing I thought of to say was, that thing's got a gat. So I said it, but I did not think about the fact that he probably didn't know what that word meant. So then he asked me, what does gat mean? I panicked because how am I supposed to tell him that I just called the gorilla curvy without it sounding weird? So instead of telling him what gat really means, I just say, it's what you say when someone has a nice smile. And you know what he says? He goes, hey, well then you've got a gat. No! You're not supposed to say it! And this poor guy was really sweet, so I know that he's just going around telling everybody that they have a gat now. What have I done? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.